Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the bulbs on the passenger side, we recommend removing the air inlet hose to make it easier to access. To replace the bulbs on the full beams and side lights, remove the rubber cover. To replace the side lights, unplug the connector by pulling on it. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook upwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check you put it in the right way round. As you're inserting it, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Plug the connector back in. The side light bulbs are located under the full beams bulb. Take the plastic base and remove it by making small movements back and forward. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the cover back on. To access the dipped beams, remove the cover on the car body side. To replace the bulb, take the electricity connector and make an anti-clockwise turn to unclip it from its housing. Pull on the bulb to free it. Reconnect the new bulb, then tighten it in the headlights. Put the cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, remove the plastic cover by unscrewing it in an anti-clockwise direction, then by pulling on it. Take the orange base, pivoting it in an anti-clockwise direction to access the bulb. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Screw the cover back on. Operation completed.